The second one, the seat layout. Which genius has designed this seat? Uh, I knew this, like this is not going to work out for me, and I had a mindset of changing this layout. So probably like the three-door Gurkha, like which having the captain sit on the behind. That's what was the theme on in my mind also. But they don't have any replacement for this. Like we need to like approach aftermarket, which is very vulnerable. JC road and all. Once you're into that situation, you will be probably meeting all the the wrong people. The same happened to me. I went to JC Road. They convinced me like, yeah, of course, I need to remove the bench middle because it is unfoldable. You won't be able to uh, like sit and relax more than 50 kilometer. You may won't be able to do it. So if you're probably thinking for Gurkha or is a family car, please, that is not the one. You need to do lots of modification, then it may be possible for you. For us it is just two people, and we apart from long driving we don't use the middle roads on the back roads and all. Okay, only once in a while the family get in. So the middle row is unfoldable, non-relaxable. The second, third row, which is the two captain seat, which is also unfoldable. If your height is like more than 5, 5.6, 5.8 even, you won't be able to sit there properly. Okay, the back side. Only that is mean for small kids. They can sit over there. So what I did, like they convinced me, like remove everything. They will put two captain sit on the middle row. We will also do a bench which is rotating, like you can remove it whenever it's required. Take it off like while luggaging and all. That was like they saying like this is Innova seats they are suggesting, which is like all the rattle sound, and how did I landed there, you will be regretting it actually. You will be seeing the outer shape as very nice. It's just a seat cover they are doing it, but the mechanism, you run somewhere like a noise is coming. The backside again, um, which was like two foldable seats were there, like which will be having a center gap where we can keep the little luggages, or whenever we record the seat can be removed also. That was the fine. But this one I made a wrong decision. I regret that. This is what I'm saying. Like you are kind of like unsettled. Okay, and you want to like settle this and you do your work. So I've been little hurry, and I fall into the traps of this jugaad people. I say JC Road is like mm, kind of a jugaadistan. All the people are there.
हाँ श्रीराम पुष्पा करो पीछे के पुष्पा कर
If you're giving the vehicle there, please stand there and monitor the work. Don't leave the work, I mean, car there and leave. Okay. Otherwise, you find some studios, which is they are doing the work. At least you can catch hold them going back. Okay. They might do better work than them, even if you pay a little extra also. Uh, Please don't take a new car, especially a new car to JC Road, not advisable at all. So Right now, the issue I'm facing, all the vibration sound, all the rattle sound is coming from the captain seat. This, whatever the issue is, like a seat belt, it's vibrating a lot, like it's giving a noise which is like unaffordable. So I spent 60,000 for that. Okay, so you think about this, all the expenditure, 15, 60. Still, the vehicle is not in a comfortable condition. That is the issue. So to save the seat layout, how much these people will be saving it on? Like at least like give a foldable one, or they already having a three-door Gurkha, which is captain seat on the behind. That was the best option for this one also, right? Like give two captain seat on the middle row, and maybe a foldable seat on the back, two foldable seat on the backs. That will be enough. Why this uncertainty or a flawless design? Who is designing it? Who is approving it? And how much you can save from this all? The vehicle cost we are paying 18 lakhs off road. While getting the vehicle Bangalore, Karnataka, you need to pay 23, 22 change. Okay. I total paid right now almost 25, including this all modification. Modification, no, to settle down the errors, they made it extra. Still, the vehicle is working properly. No, this is what I'm saying. To save like 5,000, 10,000 rupees and all, uh, they're making, you know, the enthusiast, like I say enthusiast, no one, normal people won't be buying this one. Okay, if you're a little crazy, little off-roading thing, then you may think for this vehicle which is a manual one.